We've all done that one thing or those couple things that we wish we could take back, but we can't because time moves forward. And life's hard. You only get one shot at it. Luckily, I can renovate my lawn anytime I want. Here are some things that I wish I changed when I did my lawn project.
Now I am very much in the pursuit of the perfect golf course-esque lawn, and I'm in a war against the weeds. But there are some things that I did this year that I need to change. I know Rome wasn't built in a day, and I was kind of hoping that I can show this epic before and after at the end of the year versus the start of the year and just have a perfect lawn, but that's not the case. I have to work within the environmental regulations here in Ontario. That aside, here are the things I would change. I only sprayed for weeds once. I used a concentrated Weed Be Gone. I didn't really find the results all that great. It did kill off some of the broadleaf weeds, but they're still in the lawn right now. I find that the most effective method is picking them. And I picked a lot of weeds. I mean, a lot of weeds. So one thing I would change is definitely I won't use sprays. I'm just going to get out there, get dirty, and pull the weeds myself. One of the major things that I would change when I do another lawn project is going to be in the areas that I strip of grass, I'm not going to leave them bare for too long. If you leave them bare for too long, weed seeds germinate and they'll start popping up before your grass seed even has a chance. So to combat this, you're going to have topsoil and seed ready to go as soon as you strip that turf so that the grass seed gets the sunlight and the water, not the weed seeds laying dormant in your lawn. The other major thing that I'm going to do in my next lawn project is use screened compost. I used screened topsoil, and if you saw my previous video on my soil test, I am lacking some major nutrients, and that is because there is not really all that much in topsoil, and when you're throwing 8 tons of it all over your yard and not adding a substantial amount of nutrients, you're going to run into some problems. So yes, screened compost, and if I can't get screened compost, I will make my own sieve and screen it myself. And the last thing that I would change is definitely going to be the addition of an irrigation system. Now, if I can't do it all at once, I'll just do it in sections, but having an irrigation system that you can automate and set up to water is going to save me loads of time. I have to move sprinklers around all the time to get full coverage to make sure that that grass seed grows. And yeah, I can spend more time editing videos if I didn't have to do that. Well, anyways, those are the major things that I would change in my next lawn project. I hope you found some value in it. Drop a like and subscribe to the channel. As always, you can find the most recent video in the top left, a related video in the bottom left, and the subscribe button on the right hand side. I will see you in the next video.